Konrad Hintz, you are the manager of this splendid Brandberg White Lady Lodge.
Yes.
This is an amazing place. I'm going to ask you what makes it so amazing, but I think there's too much to say. But give us something.
Well, it's special in terms of we are right at the foot of the Brandberg Mountain, which is a World Heritage Site.
Yeah.
We have got desert elephants roaming around freely in the area, which makes it also very unique and very special for the tourists that come here.
It's pretty natural. There's a lot of nature going around here. What type of facilities do you have here?
We offer camping, and we offer rustic tents, and then we offer bungalows and luxury tents, and then normal rooms as well. So we have a variety of different accommodation types.
And then you've got a sort of like an area, swimming area, restaurant, all that type of stuff.
We've got a swimming area with a restaurant, 2 swimming pools in the swimming area. Restaurant serves main courses every night, and we've got a la carte every night as well.
Yeah.
Breakfast and lunch we do. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
And you also do game drives?
We offer elephant game drives specifically to go see the elephants.
Okay.
When they're not around, we still offer sort of a scenic drive.
Yeah.
And a sunset drive in the evenings if the guests would like to go on one of those.
Yeah. Konrad, just something with regards to the White Lady, the concept of White Lady. How does that fit into this? Everybody speaks about the White Lady, Bushman painting. Does this lodge have anything to do with that?
Well, why not? I think it's more because of that we are close by to the painting, and that's why the owners decided on the name of White Lady, Brandberg White Lady Lodge. Okay.
And it's not just for foreigners. I mean, Namibians can also come here.
Yes, we cater for Namibians as well.
Excellent.
Namibians, South Africans, local tourists.
Yeah.
As well as the overseas tourists during the overseas tourist season.
Excellent. I would, if you have to compare this, 5-star, 4-star. I mean, with regards to Namibian hospitality products, how would you describe White Lady?
Sure. I would say we are pretty up there.
Yeah.
We do offer quite a good standard. We have got our rooms again. We have got more luxury rooms and then more standard rooms. So there's different. There's a bit for everybody.
Excellent. All right. Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.